Today we're gonna go on a nature walk to notice and to see the signs of spring. Nature walk with Chester. Chester, say hello. Okay, let's go. Let's follow Chester. Oh, he's taking us to his favorite tree. And as we take a look, we can see that the tree has buds. Thanks, Chester. The tulips in the garden have already sprouted. And as you can see, the buds are out. And as it gets a little bit warmer, they'll open up. Is that the clouds and the sun are out. And if you listen carefully, you can hear the sound of the birds chirping. If you get a chance, go for a walk and enjoy the signs of spring. Bye for now.